Hello everyone, I am Rima Kumari and please ask me some question.
वह टीवी देखने के लिए मरा जा रहा है.
He is dying to watch television. He is not dying. He is not dying to watch television. Is he dying to watch television? Is he not dying to watch television?
वह खाने के लिए मरा जा रहा था.
He was dying to eat. He was not dying to eat. Was he dying to eat? Was he not dying to eat?
वह खेलने के लिए मरा जा रहा होगा.
He will be dying to play. He will be not dying to play.
He will not be.
He will not be dying to play. Will he be dying to play? Will he not be dying to play?
Hello everyone, I am Pinal Raj and ask me a question.
वह मुझसे जलता है.
He is jealous of me. He is not jealous of me. Is he jealous of me? Is he not jealous of me?
वह मुझसे जलता था.
He was jealous of me. He was not jealous of me. Was he jealous of me? Was he not jealous of me?
वह मुझसे जलेगा.
He will be jealous of me. He will not be jealous of me. Will he be jealous of me? Will he not be jealous of me?
Hello everyone, I am Khushi Kumari. Please ask me a question.
वह तुमसे मिलने के लिए उत्सुक है.
He is eager to meet you. He is not eager to meet you. Is he eager to meet you? Is he not eager to meet you?
वह तुमसे मिलने के लिए उत्सुक था.
He was eager to meet you. He was not eager to meet you. Was he eager to meet you? Was he not eager to meet you?
वह तुमसे मिलने के लिए उत्सुक होगा.
He will be eager to meet you. He will not be eager to meet you. Will he be eager to meet you? Will he not be eager to meet you?
Hello everyone, I am Sapna Kumari. Please ask me a question.
मैं चावल पकाना जानता हूँ.
I know how to cook rice. I don't know how to cook rice. Do I know how to cook rice?
मैं चावल
Don't I know how to cook rice?
मैं चावल पकाना जानता था.
I knew how to cook rice. I didn't know how to cook rice. Did I know how to cook rice? Didn't I know how to cook rice?
वह पढ़ाई में आनाकानी करता है.
He is reluctant to study. He is not reluctant to study. Is he reluctant to study? Is he not reluctant to study?
वह पढ़ाई में आनाकानी करता था.
He was reluctant to study. He was not reluctant to study. Was he reluctant to study? Was he not reluctant to study?
वह विभाग में नौकरी पाना लिखा है.
He is destined to get job. He is not destined to get a job. Is he destined to get a job? Isn't he destined to get a job?
उसका भाग में नौकरी पाना लिखा था.
He was destined to get a job. He was not destined to get a job. Was he destined to get a job? Wasn't he destined to get a job?
वह आने ही वाला है.
He is about to come. He is not about to come. Is he about to come? Isn't he about to come?
वह तुम्हें फोन करने ही वाला था.
He was about to call you. He was not about to call you. Was he about to call you? Wasn't he about to call you?
ट्रेन आने ही वाली होगी.
Train will about.
The train
will about to. The train will be about to come. The train will not be about to come. Will the train be about to come? Will the train not about to come?
Not be about to come.
Not be about to come.
वह तुमसे मिलने के लिए बेकरार है.
He is excited to meet you. He is not excited to meet you. Is he excited to meet you? Is he not excited to meet you?
वह तुमसे मिलने के लिए बेकरार था.
He was excited to meet you. He was not excited to meet you. Was he excited to meet you? Was he not excited to meet you?
वह तुमसे मिलने के लिए बेकरार होगा.
He will be excited to meet you. He will not be excited to meet you. Will he excited to meet you? Will he not excited to meet
Be
you?
excited.
Will he be excited to meet you? Will he not be excited to meet you? Thank you.
वह तुमसे मिलने के लिए तरसता है.
He longs for meeting you. He doesn't long for meeting you. Does he long for meeting you? Doesn't he long for meeting you?